Tool Review Tuesday. Roll the intro. I spend a lot of time in the big box stores. I'm often shopping for tools or supplies, and one thing that I'm finding it's making a trend now is the mobile toolbox. And today I'm going to show you the Husky 3-piece connect system. You're wondering how it works. Let me break down a little bit and then we'll get this thing rolling. Okay, so here's the box. It's completely empty. This is everything that you get right here. If I show some tools or parts in it, that's not included. Alright, so I released that. This is the top one. There's 2 long ones like that, and then 8 smaller ones like that. Alright, let's set this one aside. The middle one, check this out. This has a flatter work surface right here, so you can do a little bit of maybe like some cutting with a utility knife. Just a little flat surface. Metal latches again. It has a removable tray and some deep storage. Okay. And this right here on the back says 2 of 3. And this is the bottom one right here. You can see 3 of 3. This is really good for some of your bigger power tools. I'll demonstrate with some ones that I have in here, just kind of show you how they fit. So, okay, so I'm going to store some tools in here. I have a pair of bolt cutters, subcompact rotary hammer, hot glue gun, impact driver. Plenty of room. Latch the stores on there. Latch that. And then this storage on top. Latch that. And away you go. So if I want to stack something else on top of this one, you pull these out. They do make a cantilever one that they sell. You could clip this on the top too. So to take the top tray off, you release below each one you're going to take out. See how that lifts off? And then you push them in to lock it. There. See? Alright, so take a look at the wheels here. 7-inch wheels. Okay, then to lift the handle to transport, you push that red button down. That locks in place. To store it, boom. So it's 22 inches from the outside wheel to wheel. Okay, one of the things, it didn't really say if it's waterproof or not, but the way that it's designed, it looks like the water will pretty much channel out. I did have another toolbox that actually has some holes, so as soon as we got a little bit of rain, if I left the box out in my truck, next thing you know, the tray was just filled with water. Let's see what the middle one looks like. So on the middle tray right here, when you open it, it has this lip that comes up, so it looks like that it's covered, so the water should channel away from it. And there's no holes in here at all. I've seen some holes like on the sides there where water, like on some other toolboxes, so I don't see where water should be able to get in. Okay, so it potentially looks like water could leak into the very bottom one. I don't really see like a seal on that, so I'd be a little bit concerned, but for the most part the water should run down and not really work its way in, because that's pretty tight. But I can't guarantee that it's waterproof. Alright, so this wraps up my video review of the 3-piece Husky mobile tool storage system. If you have any questions about it, please put them down below. I'll be happy to respond. If you'd like to learn more about this in finer detail, I will provide a link to that as well. So if you find this Tool Review Tuesday interesting and informative, please give it a thumbs up and help support my channel. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you like this video, I think you might like the other videos to the right, so please click on those. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that button down below. And if you want to see what I'm up to throughout the week, please connect with me on Twitter and Instagram. All right, friends, enjoy.